While Bitcoin season is definitely a thing, I believe that 2023 just has too many damn catalysts for Ethereum that are coming up, and that all of this will combine to once again make Ethereum, not Bitcoin, the talk of the town and the leader of the 2023 bear market rally. Now, first, we need to understand that Ethereum has already proven to be a much stronger asset during the bear market than Bitcoin has been. It has lost less in terms of total price percentage, and unlike Bitcoin, it did not hit a new low during the FTX collapse. Nope, in fact, the price of Ethereum stayed actually very strong, more than 20% above the lows of June 2022, whereas Bitcoin dropped another 12% down from that low. But this is actually a story of supply and demand, and really some key Ethereum upgrades that are driving that supply and demand. First, we have Ethereum withdrawals from the stake contract, which are coming pretty gosh darn soon. In fact, the testnet has been announced for February, and while yes, this means that there will be sellers. People will be cashing out, getting out of the staking contract, right? It also means that more buyers will come in because the upgrade will provide certainty around their investment, and investors will feel much safer chasing yield on Ethereum, knowing they can actually get those coins back out. Second, while Bitcoin currently has an inflation rate of 1.72%, Ethereum has an inflation rate of like 0.008%. Some days it's even deflationary, and it's very close to really getting into a hard deflation mode once the market picks up, which means that the supply will continue to fall at an exponential rate. Bitcoin, after the halving in 2024, it'll drop its inflation down to just 0.9%. And if we assume that demand stays the same or rises slightly, then obviously the price of both of these assets will do well, but Ethereum will have a negative annual issuance going on. But there are two really big things that can provide a major price catalyst for Ethereum in 2023, driving much more demand for the coin. The first is proto-dank sharding. Wait, Lark, come on. What WTF is that, man? Proto-dank sharding. Well, in short, it's an Ethereum upgrade scheduled for Q3 that will reduce the fees for Ethereum Layer 2 protocols by 10 to 100x, which is beyond huge. And why is that huge? Because we're already seeing Arbitrum and Optimism, the leading Layer 2s for Ethereum. Those combined are doing nearly the same level of transactions per day as the Ethereum main chain, and usage is growing all the time. Now, this will allow for people to use Ethereum applications for pennies, meaning that ETH demand will rise and will flood into Layer 2s because you need Ethereum to use Arbitrum, you need Ethereum to use Optimism. Also, keep an eye on Optimism looking forward, and of course Arbitrum when the coin comes out, to benefit price-wise from that Q3 upgrade. The other big thing driving demand will be ZK EVM, the so-called holy grail of Layer 2s, which again builds out the Ethereum layer tech stack. The big player everyone is watching is Polygon and their ZK EVM product, which will use Ethereum to pay for gas fees. We also have upcoming projects like ZK Sync and Tyco. By the way, Tyco, you did catch our airdrop guide on how to get free tokens for that, right, in the Free Wealth Mastery newsletter about 2 weeks ago, did you? Yeah? Link down below. Now, this all just provides the potential, of course, for more economic activity to take place at Layer 2 on Ethereum. All of that means there's going to be more demand for ETH to both pay for those gas fees, which everything I've just talked about requires Ethereum for gas fees, as well as, of course, to use that stuff in DeFi on these Layer 2 applications. Basically, a lot of big and exciting things are going to be happening in Ethereum this year. It's already outperforming Bitcoin. It outperformed Bitcoin during the bear market. And look, for Bitcoin, we're now, 438 days away or whatever from the Bitcoin halving, which is sweet, But then you realize that's still over a year away, and all this exciting stuff is happening on Ethereum this year. By the way, if you're a trader, you need to get yourself an account on Bybit. It is the best place for trading cryptocurrency futures. It has 0% fees for their spot markets. And when you use the link down below in the description, you're going to be able to claim up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses. So check it out. Okay, that's it. Subscribe now. See you next time.